that's how every one of them stoves are. Every one of them have a little kitchen in the back. You call it a little kitchen.
And then like this little piece up here at the top, would that be for some kind of warmer or something?
That's more heat coming out.
Oh.
The heat draws up through the stove, up underneath, and then travels back up.
Hey, I'm Sheryl Loch with Ginger Roots Media, and I'm out here with David Alexander, and we are looking at some of the stoves that he has taken, repaired, fixed. They're stoves, and they needed a little help, and Dave has given some help. So tell us a little bit about what are they?
These are all wood stoves that they used to warm their houses and shops, hardware stores, churches, you name it. They had these in their establishments to keep themselves warm. They can cook on them, keep their places warm, burn wood or coal in them. Most of them are coal burners, but they do burn wood. And they're all 100% restored. I do that in my spare time. And they're all sandblasted down completely, re-nickeled. Most of it's all 24 karat gold because they don't do brass here in town. I don't like sending my parts out anywhere. So, yeah, fix them up brand new like they were the day they were born. And they're ready to go. They're fully functional.
And so they can put these in their house, go ahead and...
That would be up to the individual. Me, I put it in my house, burn every year. I don't have a problem with it. Somebody else going to do it, you do it the right way. Get some information, make sure you get the right installation, and be safe about it, because it's like a fireplace in your house, and you want to be careful. But they work great, and it's a little bit of American history, which is what turns me on about all this. This is all American history. This stuff was done right here. These guys came from all over the world to this country to design these and build them and free of suppression, express their love in art, and every one of these have all the love and art, and you just can't believe it.
Each one is unique, that's for sure.
You can tell the maker of every one of them what he was thinking, his inspiration. So that's what it's all about. Freedom, United States, freedom.
And these are not replicas.
No, these are the real deal. And this is what they look like brand new. People say, that can't be what it looked like. No, this is what they were brand new. Sandblast this down, they start telling the story. And you can see where the nickel goes. All painted up with 2,000 degree paint so it doesn't peel off. Nickel holds the heat, and they work great.
How old's the oldest one you have?
1841. 1841.
Wow.
That's old. And I use it every winter. I have two of them, 1841 and 1845 in the shop.
Because they made shit to last back then.
Yeah, of course. It's going to last forever. If you don't drop it off a truck, and if that's the case, bring it to me, because I will fix it. And then they'll look like this when we're done.
And so Dave, what is your website?
TheStoveGuy.LasVegas.com.
And you can find out more about these stoves. I know there's pictures on there.
Yeah.
And if they're interested, they can get a hold of you to see what you might have to set them up with.
Right. Yeah. Email me. The email is on there. TheStoveGuy.LasVegas.com. And I'm on Instagram and Facebook. And the Instagram's more fun because you get to see more behind the scenes. Us actually tearing these things down. If you can get past all the hot rod stuff. Go back a little ways.
So there you have it. Check out his website. Check him out on Instagram. And get a hold of him if you're in the mood for a new stove.
That's it.
A new old stove.
A new old stove. Little American history here.
There.